Hello, I'm Tom, your resident old guy wooden ship modeler of average ability. My modeling dials go up to 11 on enthusiasm, but only up to 6 on skill. That's okay. To me, modeling is like golf. I love to watch the PGA players, but when I pick up my own clubs, it's just for enjoyment. Same with modeling. When I pick up a kit, it's just for the enjoyment of building it. Here's a little item I picked up for kicks. It's actually not sold as a ship model, it's used in a tabletop war game called Black Seas. Although the game looks like fun, I have no interest in it as it requires human interaction. I just stumbled across this very interesting little model used in the game and decided to order one just for fun. Inside the box is everything you need to build a 1 to 700 waterline model of the USS Constitution, Old Ironsides. There are a fair number of other ships available both in small fleets and individually, like the HMS Victory. There are wrecks, lighthouses, scenery, sea terrain, and all the things needed to play the game. It is also a Napoleonic Naval War diorama maker's fevered dream. Wow, this is a serious rabbit hole I don't need to fall down. Anyway, back to the kit. Kit contents were carefully inspected by Christina and Maria. Thanks, ladies. The resin hull is nicely detailed. The details are not quite to scale, they're exaggerated a bit to stand out, but I'm thinking that just adds to the look of the final build and will make painting easier. Each of the 3 mast and bowsprit are cast white metal with furled mainsails. The sails, apart from the mainsail, are heavy paper stock printed in color on both sides. The ratlines are printed on clear acetate. Rigging line is supplied in what looks like generous quantities, though I'm wondering if easy line is a better choice. Boats, anchors, and other bits are also cast white metal. Look good. The flags are amazing. I'm a flag guy for sure. The high point of my model build is putting the last flag on the mast top and putting the kit on the shelf. These flags look like they go with the fleet. There are more than enough flags for just this Connie build. There's amazing attention to detail here. The Star-Spangled Banner of 1812 had 15 stars, but it also had 15 stripes, 8 red and 7 white. This kit has that flag. It also has a 15-star version in the Betsy Ross circular pattern with 15 stripes, but I found no image of that in my reference books or online. Still, this attention to detail is impressive. There are pennants also and some privateer flags. Not sure what I'm going to use those for. There are a couple of game-specific things included. Some sort of punch-out card looks like it's used to gauge movement, and another data card looks to have some sort of range and gunnery data on it. I can't wait to build this little kit, and I'll post a video when I finish it. Until then, this item is easily stored in a small container. This is one kit that won't take up your shelf space, either during construction or once finished. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, leave a like. If you've built one of these Black Seas kits or played the game, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Until next time, this is Tom the Average Ship Modeler, shifting colors and underway.